Hi guys, welcome back to Iron Coding. So today, I built this really cool mini board full stack web app using Antigravity and Insforge. Insforge is basically an awesome platform with an AI coding agent that handles things like database and authentication for you. So you don't really have to write backend code, it just does everything for you. And honestly, you can build a complete full stack project super easily with it. First of all, let's take a look at the project. I'll click on the sign in button. Since I'm already signed in, I'm taken straight to the dashboard. As you can see, I've already created a few projects. Now, I'll create a new project board called Task Board. Once I create it, a new board is generated. Let's open this board. Here, I can start adding tasks. For example, I'll add a task like subscribe to Iron Coding. I can add tasks by clicking on the Add Task button. Let me create another task, like the video and build amazing projects. I can also move tasks between different sections, like in progress or done. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, head over to the Insforge website and click on the Start Building button. Now, create a new project and name it Mini Board, then click on Create Project. It may take a few seconds, but your project will be set up automatically. Once it's ready, you'll see multiple options here. I'm not going with the VS Code extension. Instead, I'll use the terminal. So just click on Terminal. You can use any code editor mentioned here, but I'll be using Antigravity. Before running the command, let's create a new folder called Miniboard and open it in Antigravity. As you can see, we now have an empty project folder. Now go back to Insforge, copy the terminal command. Come back to your terminal, paste it, and hit Enter. It will take a little time to set up the MCP server. Once it's done, you'll notice a file called agent.md. This file configures the AI agent and provides all the necessary context to Antigravity. Now click Next. To verify that MCP is properly connected, just copy the verification command from here, paste it, and run it. After a few seconds, you'll see that everything is successfully connected. Next, copy the prompt. I'll provide it in the description, so don't worry. Paste the prompt and hit Enter. Now the AI agent will start generating the complete backend, authentication, and required files automatically. Just wait for it to finish. Once everything is ready, simply click on the Run button. Now you can see, we've successfully created a complete mini board application with built-in authentication. Go to localhost 3000 and your app will be live. You can sign up using email, Google, or GitHub. I'll go with Google. Just select your account and it will redirect you to the dashboard. Here, you can create new boards and manage your tasks. If you check the Insforge backend dashboard, you'll see all the user data stored there. It also automatically creates tables like boards, profiles, users, and tasks for your application. In the Boards table, you can see two boards have been created, New Task and New Board. In the Profiles table, you'll find the user profile. Right now, there are no entries in the Users or Tasks tables. If we go to the Authentication tab, you can see that Google OAuth and GitHub OAuth are already set up. You can also add more providers based on your needs. Not just that, Insforge also provides features like an SQL editor, custom functions, and real-time databases. It even includes AI model gateways, so you can integrate different AI models into your website or full-stack application. Now, let's talk about deployment. You can deploy your full-stack project with just a single prompt. I'll copy the deployment prompt, go back to Antigravity, paste it here, and hit Enter. After a few seconds, your project will be deployed on the Insforge cloud. Insforge gives you a live link. Just copy it and open it in your browser. As you can see, our website is now live and all features are working perfectly. You can also check deployment logs, environment variables, which are automatically configured, and even set up a custom domain. And if you want me to show how to integrate AI models into your website, just drop a comment. I'll make a dedicated video on it. So that's it for this video. Go ahead and try this workflow. Try Insforge and let me know what you think. I've added the link in the description so you can sign up from there, and it's completely free right now, so definitely check it out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Iron Coding. See you in the next one.